councils. It is common ground that before a murder plea is taken, one has to undergo mental assessment, which in this instance has not been done. I do therefore order that the accused person is taken to Kiambu Level 5 Hospital on Wednesday, 5th of June, to have the assessment done. The second issue is whether or not he should be released on the anticipatory bond terms issued in Kiambu HRCC miscellaneous application number 80424. This was opposed by the State Council on the basis that the information had been filed and that anticipatory bail was no longer applicable. On this score, I do agree with the State Council that anticipatory bail granted would only apply before formal charges are filed. Once the formal charges were filed, the same anticipatory bail has been overtaken by them, and the accused person will have to apply for new bail bond terms once formally charged before this court. Finally, on the issue of the court handling in this matter, it is not in dispute that the High Court has jurisdiction over the country, but at this point the court will not make a definite determination on the matter. The accused counsel is at liberty to file a formal application for the court's determination as to whether this case will be heard here or not. We take plea on Friday. Friday is 7th. So plea will be taken on 7th of June at 10 a.m. Accused person to be remanded at Mutahi police station until then. So we'll make sure that you get the post list probably by...
I appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Good morning,
Yes.
Sorry, good afternoon,
Good afternoon, Mr. Dora.
On 28th last week. But I don't know that my lord, do you have the file with you in court?
We don't have the file.
Yes, this is what we
Was established done at Thika,
Kiambu, yes.
Thika Kagombe, aka alias Gigi Kagombe.
Late Miss Raila. We here with my colleagues. Yeah, I'm going to introduce them, and then one of us is going to address the court. First Bishop and Evelyn Onura. And all of us are here.
Anybody for the accused?
Yes, my lord, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
For the defense, we are 6 in number. My name is Brian Helf. I have Mr. Kahindi, Mr. Ome Tuku,
Present.
Mr. Yuguna,
Present.
Mr. Wahome?
Yes, President.
The other name?
Tuku.
Mr. Kiyangi,
Present.
and Mr. Were.
President.
And my lord, I will have the privilege of leading the defense team.
Yes.
This is our first appearance. We have found the information, however, the accused person has not been escorted for mental assessment. The reason being that the accused person was arrested on Friday. And prayer is that the court issues an order for the accused person to be escorted for mental assessment. Before we come to the so a prayer that this person was married at Mutahi police station, and from where he was escorted for mental assessment at Kiambu level 5 hospital.
You can't run away from this mandate, serving the people of Khartoum South. The appreciates and is ready to abide by any conditions the court may give. Is ready to comply, has already complied in placing officers. And will be before this court, my lord, as and when is required to do so. Your Lordship, we expected the royal colleagues for the state to lay a basis even why our client was to be held all the way before this court when, as per the particulars of the offense was committed somewhere in Thika. It is therefore our conclusion that, my lord, the state will not be acting in utmost good faith. On the very least, it defeats the objects of Article 48. It makes litigation extremely expensive without a basis being laid for. even a mockery. Usually is opening up courts all over. And we're not doubting, my Lord, that we have got unlimited original jurisdiction over the matter, but I think it would be fair for the President to have indicated as to why you get to come for this way. You are in Kiambu local, so you are told that you have to come. So my Lord, that would be fair, and this my colleagues are very good to add, but we plead with you, my Lord, that you consider extending those terms that are given to the Honorable Justice Dora, you could until the time that please happen. Just to add to that, my Lord, as has been admitted by my colleague, our client has been constituted from Friday. Even against the express orders of the Honorable Justice report, which we serve, the received call. He's arrested blatantly against those orders. And they hate all that time, even as do a mental assessment of you. I mean, the doctors, rather hospitals work, you know, over the weekend. So that will be done so that you are here to commence the trial process rather than waiting until today till they ask for more time.
Find information from record. And if you look at that anticipatory bail, there was no condition attached to it. What is there is that he should respond to summons by the police. And that anticipatory bail was given because he was apprehensive of arrest. And since it was given ex parte and a date was given for inter parte hearing, there's nothing that stops the state from charging when investigations are complete. And therefore, my lordship, that this person cannot be released to be escorted from his home to be taken for mental assessment. I think that application can be made at a bail application stage. And with regards to the state not laying foundation as to why they are charging him here, this matter is being investigated by the DCI headquarters, which has the jurisdiction to charge anywhere in the country. Upon having reasons, yes, at Kiambu, yes. They have the jurisdiction to charge anywhere in the country. And they don't just charge in any jurisdiction without a reason. I would not dare to go into the details of the case, how it happened, but there has a reason why the case was removed from the jurisdiction of Kiambu. Where I had as in charge to be filed before this court. And we mentioned to one of the council, and they did not have a problem with that. If they could have raised a problem, I would have started by laying that basis. Yeah. That is all from us.
Yeah, what did you say?
Sorry, Mama?
already started writing my order.
Yes, that's one point. My lord, it's not correct when the state tells you that accused person has been charged. Even on the, it's straight, if you read straight the invitation of the court, charging means reading out a plea. That has not been done. That's why we are pleading the court. But the orders that were given by the Honorable Justice of the court considers extending it until that time when he's charged. When he's charged, then of course, we don't pay the cost.
Ulikuwa nazo.
Siwezi tembea na
Yana ngonete baba.
Kwa nini hizo?
Solo? Sasa mwende ndani ya huko kwa mimi. Wallahi ma.
Of 2024, the Rwanda versus Kenya National Assembly.
Is anybody who answers in this matter? Auditor, we can't hear you. Yes, Mr. Musile, unmute.
Yes, so I was saying that the last time that you were supposed to come before you was for the ruling that you don't have to pick. But we are here, the decision was, a ruling was delivered, so it is like still for us to expect to do which are not being done.
I know on my part, I am.
Some are happy by, however, it's been people from standard classification, standard mention notes, however, the sanctions to be changed.
Rules for the Auditor General, Mr.
Your Honor, I don't know. My name is Obara.
For the Auditor General. So,
Your Honor, I was having some problems with.
matter? Anybody else with any other matter? We had there's a mention date of 20th of June before. Yes, Council DGA law.
Arrived today, 018 of 2020.
Will be had on Friday before 4 judges. I believe that they will issue notices.